Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a tooth pillow for the Tooth Fairy. First we need to cut out the tooth shape. And then pin it to your two pieces of felt. And then cut it out of the felt. Next, sew on your buttons for your eyes. Now I'm going to cut out little circles to use for the cheeks. And then sew those on. Next, we're going to stitch on a mouth, little smiley face. Now I'm cutting out a square just to put on the back to make the pocket. Next, we'll put our pieces together, put the face and the pocket on the inside, and you want to attach your string or ribbon. This is great because then you can just hang it on the door handle. Go ahead and sew all around the edge, and be sure to leave a gap on one side so that you can flip it inside out and put your stuffing in. You want to tuck your ribbon inside when you get to that part. here. I'm folding it inside out. And putting the stuffing in. Close that up and sew the edge back. Get that all nice and closed up. And there you go. Pillow to put your tooth in for the tooth fairy. Put your tooth in. She'll take your tooth out. And put the money in. If you want to just buy this one that I just made, you can get it for $5 on my shop. And I'll leave the link in the description and the supply list. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.